So you lost all of your paws. As at the 24th day of December 2024, all your paws were gone, just like mine and that of everyone else. But many of us recovered it back. So if you're among the people that have not recovered all your PAWS token, like your balance showing, let us know in the comment section. Yeah, there were actually things that we did. That was in the PAWS mass section, when PAWS gave us a lot of tasks that each one you do, it will unlock. You do the next one, it will unlock until you get to the final one, and then your PAWS balance will be returned. Yeah, right now you could be seeing a coal instead of your balance. That's damn crazy, man. Yeah, but right now these are things you have to do to actually recover it back. Meanwhile, it's important for you to understand what it will cost you if you are not able to recover your PAWS back. Yeah, the first thing is that right now PAWS is using that as a criteria to find out people that are not really active in the game. Yeah, so if you're seeing the coal right there instead of your PAWS balance, just understand that you'll be getting dust from the airdrop. It's just as simple as that. But these are things you can do right now to try recovering it, and PAWS is also helping. The first thing you have to do is to check the PAWS mass section. Although right now you can no longer perform those tasks, but PAWS now brought out another way of helping you to resolve this. After the snapshot, ordinarily there's not supposed to be any more tasks right now, so it is in order to enable you to perform more tasks to help you stay more active in the game. That's the reason why you're seeing after snapshot, you're seeing perform this task, visit our website, you get 5,000 tokens, place this on your home screen, place PAWS on your home screen, and you get this number of PAWS tokens and the rest of that. So if you want to recover your PAWS back, which whether you do these things or not, your PAWS will be returned to you, like the balance will be returned to you. But this simply means that from what PAWS explained in their official Telegram channel, that what you'll be getting is dust. Like if you're supposed to be getting 1,000 PAWS, you could be getting like 100. Okay, so perform those new tasks. When you see the partner section, there are lots of tasks there right now, about 3 tasks, like you joining Zoo airdrop. Yeah, you have to join right there from that place, and now you join Zoo and be able to unlock that one and claim a token, and then you play Zoo and follow Zoo X handle and join Zoo Telegram channel. The moment you are able to do that, you are beginning to recover your PAWS. But the most important one that helps you to get more from this game is when you check the in-game section. The in-game task section right there means the tasks that relate to the game. The first one there right now is mandatory, because even if you do every other one, you are perfect in this game. If you do not do that first one, which is to connect PAWS via the website, you will not get anything at all. So to help your recovery and you getting a lot from PAWS when it finally gets listed, make sure that in that in-game section, whether it's about adding PAWS emoji to your Telegram name, which before you even do that, you must be using Telegram Premium. That is one. Another one there is you following PAWS X handle, and so many other tasks there. There are 9 tasks there right now. So perform all of those tasks. This will actually help you to recover your PAWS back. Yeah, the Grinch and the Green Menace actually stole your PAWS. So do these things that I've just told you now, and you will actually recover it back, because PAWS announced that it is using that code to differentiate between the active players, those that are actively participating in PAWS project, and those that are not active. So right now, if you still have that code, you have to find out, you have to try as much as possible to do all of these things I told you now, the in-game task, the partner task, and every other new task that will be coming up, so that you'll be able to remove that code, so that you will not receive dust from the PAWS project when it finally gets listed. And if you want to know the listing date of PAWS, let us know in the comment section. For that task of Zoo, everything about Zoo is always covered in this channel. Go the invite link, when to claim free gifts every day 3 times, and then a lot more that you can get to get the best from Zoo. I hope this helps you to recover your PAWS back.